Okay guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. This is a seafood feast that we had at the Saturday night walking street in Chiang Mai 2019 actually, in October. Look how good that food looks, yeah? We had squid and crab. All you gotta do is just tell them what you want. They'll cook it for you, bring it to your table. It's served right on the road. Lots and lots of selection there. Tons of food. Tons of very loud music. The hardest part is knowing what to get, you know. We had a couple of crab and a couple of squid. It was more than enough for us. You get a selection of different dipping sauces. As you can see, this is a parking lot during the day, I believe. Quite a busy place. This walking street was packed. I do have a video on that if you want to check it out. It'll be at the end of this video. And I have a website with all the Chiang Mai videos on it. All the information that I collected from Chiang Mai. Link is in the video description if you want to check that out. Lots and lots of information there. The food was delicious. It really was. Eating fresh squid that far away from the ocean, pretty amazing, really. The crab, one was really good and one was only okay. It was quite a lot older, probably sat around a little bit too long, but it was still pretty good, you know. But the one was delicious. I don't know what kind of crab this is. I don't think I've had it before, but they were really, really good. There was music, multiple sources of music playing, and even foreign tourists playing live music for tips, just right beside us there. So that's the reason for the voiceover. This food, I tell you, was really, really good. For something so basic, you know. It's all about the dipping sauces, really. You can see the action behind us, you know. It's non-stop. It is non-stop, and it got a lot busier after we left. You know, the walking street itself went from very busy to, holy man, I can't even walk anymore. It was nuts. Too busy for my liking, I tell you what. Pocket knife. Don't you bring a pocket knife to the market? You should if you're going to be eating crab. This was very on plan. We didn't even know this was there, but there's a ton of food in this walking street, that's for sure. And the majority of it looked really, really good. If you watch the walking street video, you will see. There was even a guy wearing a Wayne Gretzky hockey jersey cooking the food in one of the places we stopped at. Now, if you're new to Chiang Mai, there's quite a few walking streets and night markets and all of that, and I do have a blog post on all of that stuff, plus it's on the website as well. This is just a Saturday night one. There's a Sunday night one. There's a couple of others spread around the city. Not hard to find food or a market in Chiang Mai, that's for sure. They're everywhere, day and night and mornings. Kept me busy, that's for sure, which is what I like. you've never eaten on the side of the road, or in this case in a parking lot with hundreds of people walking by and checking out what you're doing, it's an interesting experience, quite popular throughout Asia, even Latin America as well, where you sit outside, order your food, and the world walks by or drives by as you're enjoying your meal. If you haven't done it, you should try it. Apparently she liked that. Bonus points. The best part right there. Good stuff out of the head. See what I mean? It's just non-stop, setting up more tables and moving chairs, and the people working there were just run off their feet, and I'm sure it's like that every week. And there's a lot of people working there, and I believe all the different stalls is all one owner. That's what it seemed like to me. Quite the setup, that's for sure. Great place for people watching as well. There's people in this market from just about every country in the world, you know. It's quite amazing when you think about how many different nationalities is walking by at any given time. When you're in a place like this, it's unbelievable. Just sitting and listening to all the different languages. It's quite the experience. And having good food while you're doing it, that's always a bonus. You see that? They wanted some crab too. I don't remember what this cost, and I don't have it in my notes, which is a surprise, but I know it was quite reasonable, somewhere around 350 baht, I believe, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. It was quite a lot of food for the price, especially considering, you know, for the squid especially. We're a long ways from the ocean there. Nice big chunk of crab, yeah? Well, that's about it, guys. This was an awesome meal right on the side of the road in a parking lot. Hundreds and hundreds of people walking around there. And this is a dead end. So this part here is a branch off of the main market, and it's a dead end. So everybody who walks in either stays or have to come back. We had an awesome feed here. If you're ever in Chiang Mai, check out the Saturday night market. Tons of food there. Don't have to be seafood. Other places have steaks and exotic meats and all kinds of stuff. Just check out the other video coming up here at the end, and You see for yourself, tons of food, tons of people, lots going on. And I guess that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you watched it all this ways, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, thanks for watching.